There are two different types of text fields in Flash: fixed width text fields and variable width text fields. In this movie, we'll talk about the difference between the two and how to work with both of them. If you're following along, I'm in o3_fixed_variable.fla in the Chapter 9 folder in the Exercise Files folder. Let's select the Text tool, and on the stage, click and type some text to create a static text field. Notice that when we create this text field, the width of the text field expands as we type text. This is called a variable width text field. You can tell that you're working in a variable width text field because at the top right of the text field, there's a circle. And this only appears when you're in symbol editing mode. When you're in a variable width text field, to create a line break, you need to press Enter or Return on your keyboard. So what if you want to create a text field that has a fixed width and wraps on its own? That's called a fixed width text field. Now let's create a fixed width text field. Press Escape to exit symbol editing mode, and then press Delete on your keyboard to delete the text on the stage. And using the Text tool, click and drag on the stage to create a fixed width text field. Notice as soon as you release your mouse button, you're in text editing mode because you see a flashing cursor, and at the top right of the text field, there's a square. That's Flash telling you that you're working in a fixed width text field. So now type some text in the fixed width text field and watch how the words wrap. Notice that you don't have to press Enter or Return to create a line break. Flash creates it for you. If you ever decide that you want to change the width of your fixed width text field, while you're in text editing mode, click and drag the square at the top right of the text field. That'll allow you to change the width. Now, what if you create a fixed width text field and you'd like that to be a variable width text field, or vice versa? To convert a fixed width text field into a variable width text field, you must first be in symbol editing mode. Then double-click the square at the top right of the fixed width text field. The text field then turns into a variable width text field. I'm going to press Escape to exit symbol editing mode, and then I'm going to choose the Selection tool in the toolbar and move the text field a little bit to the left so I can see the entire text field on the stage. Now let's talk about converting a variable width text field into a fixed width text field. Double-click the text field on the stage to enter text editing mode. Then, to convert the variable width text field into a fixed width text field, click and drag the circle at the top right of the text field. When you release your mouse button, you've converted the variable width text field into a fixed width text field. And there's a look at how to work with fixed width and variable width text fields.